This is Uganda.
What arrived in my room. It have a different smell. I don't know, it's a bit old. Where's my key? I need to. It's like how you put in the bed. Oh, finally. This is how it looked like, just some random thing. My luggage there, my bag, bed, and all the knick-knack, just like the other previous room. And then here's the TV, fridge, and then nothing. Yeah, but the whole rest of the town. But beautiful view though of the mountain. And then another piece of whatever here. It's a bit hot. No, let me see the bathroom. I think this is going to be my most favorite place for this time around. For I just need a bath. Face. Oh, I actually love the we went to the other one, to the other hotel, is same as this one, and then I love their body wash, and then their shampoo and conditioner, which I don't need to use. But for now, I'm okay. And they say we are not getting, they are not going to change our bedding tomorrow, so they gave us coins. These are coins for buying drinks, just one drink for each person. Yeah.